Hi guys, today I show you how I made the most expensive slime in the world using only one very expensive ingredient. I'm giving away an iPhone 8 and the only thing you need to do to enter is to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified every time I upload. All the details will be down below. A few days ago I placed an order online and the total was $207 with 83 cents. And it finally arrived today, so I'm gonna open it so you guys can see what expensive ingredient are we going to use to make slime. Oh, I'm so excited! If you love slime, you may know that you can make slime using any peel-off face mask. Usually they are very inexpensive, but not these ones. These are the new glitter face mask from Glam Glow. And no, this video isn't sponsored or anything, I bought them with my own money. What I love the most about this face mask is that they come in 3 different shades and each one has different kind of glitter. So if everything goes well, we will end up with 3 super cute slimes. I'm so afraid to ruin them, but also I cannot wait to turn them into slime. And if you didn't know, Glam Glow did a collaboration with My Little Pony, so each one represents a different character. For example, this purple one is for Twilight Sparkle. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm going to waste this $70 face mask. Look how beautiful it is! Okay, now to make the slime, I'm going to start by putting it completely into a bowl. This has a creamy purple base with iridescent and tiny white glitter. And the smell, oh my god, this smells so good! It's kinda like a fruity scent and I love it! I feel like this is too thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. And now as the activator, I'll be using contact lens solution and a pinch of baking soda. And you can see that it instantly turns into slime. The more you play with it, the less messy and sticky it gets. Let me tell you that this slime is so soft. It feels like if I added lotion or something like that. It left my skin super soft. This is so cool, but I don't know if I can justify spending almost $70 just to make this tiny slime. I'm going to try to recreate it with my slime ingredients that I already have to see if I can make it exactly like that. So I'm going to start with clear glue, and to make it purple, I'll be using food coloring. So I think that I already messed it up because it's not the same shade of purple, but let's continue with the next step. Now I'm going to add white iridescent glitter to the bowl and let's mix. I don't know why or how, but the white glitter completely disappeared into the slime. So I don't know, I think I'm going to add more glitter, but this time it's going to be purple. As the activator, I'll be using borax. And this is my final result, and I think that I added too much borax because it's a little bit hard to stretch, but what do you guys think? Even though I just cannot justify spending that much amount of money on one slime, I had to say that the winner here is the expensive slime. I love the color, the scent, and that you can actually see all the cool glitter. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. This is the pink one of Pinkie Pie, and let me tell you that this is my favorite shade of pink. I hope you guys can see all the iridescent glitter. It has a bunch of it and it looks amazing. Like the past one, I'm going to add just a little bit of water to thin down the consistency of the face mask. And then I'm going to add the contact lens solution and a pinch of baking soda. I was going to add borax for this one, but I don't want to ruin it. I much prefer to use the contact lens solution because it's not that easy to overactivate the slime with this method. See how easy it was to make this slime? Isn't it so pretty? This should be called Barbie slime. It's so glittery, and like I said, I'm obsessed with this shade of pink. This is also very soft, and it also left my skin super extra soft and hydrated. Like I said, I'm never gonna be able to justify this price, so I'm going to try to recreate this one also with my own slime ingredients. Starting with clear Elmer's glue and then the pink food coloring. Sadly, I didn't have more iridescent glitter. I only had this white one that it kinda looks peach in certain angles, so I'm going to add that and hope for the best. Now I'm going to add the borax activator that I already had ready in my squeezy tube. And let's see how this turned out. Not glittery by any means, but it kinda looks metallic and I love it. This consistency is very soft and I don't know, I like it. I know they don't look nothing alike, but both of them are extra cute. Both are soft, pink, cute, and I think this time both slimes are the winners. Now it's time to open the last face mask, the black one that is for Princess Luna. No, you guys, I die when I open this jar. Look at this face mask. It's full of holo stars, holo glitter, and black glitter. Oh my god, it's so cool. I cannot wait to make this slime. Same as the past slimes, I'm going to add water. And here's a close-up so you guys can see how beautiful this face mask is. I cannot regret making it slime, but I'm sure it's going to be the most amazing slime at the end. Now the activator. And then the pinch of baking soda. Now it's kinda sticky, but remember that the more you play with it, the less messy and sticky it gets. Oh my god, god, no, this is so beautiful. It looks like a universe, like a galaxy or something like that. It's so cool that it's going to be so hard to recreate it, but let's see if I can. The only thing that was weird is that it left my hands covered in black glitter. I wonder if it does the same to your face. Well, who knows, let's try to recreate it. The base is going to be clear glue as well, and then I'm so excited to try this black food coloring that I have never used before. Oh my god, is it just me or this black food coloring looks purple? I think we are already ruining this slime, but whatever, let's continue with the next step. I was looking all over my house because I know that I have somewhere in my craft room tiny holographic stars, but I couldn't find them, so that's why here I'm adding only holo glitter. And then I saw that I had black glitter, so I'm going to add that as well. Here I'm adding borax and I'm going to continue playing with it until it turns into the perfect slime consistency. To be honest, this is not that bad, but it doesn't compare to the beauty of the face mask slime. Look at it, there's no comparison between both. I know both are glittery and kinda galaxy-esque, but I have to say that the winner here is the expensive one. I'm sure if you find the right kind of glitter, you can totally recreate it better than I did. Let me know in the comments which slime was your favorite, and if you want me to try more expensive slime recipes, let me know as well in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!